bolj kot si svet, bolj te hudič preizkuša, kako je to doživljal Karlo in ali je imel Karlo kdaj težavo s tem, da bi prepoznal Božjo voljo zanj in če, kaj je storil takrat?
But listen, Carlo didn't have the struggle with the devil like Father Pio, situation like this. Probably he had his, his temptation. For example, at the beginning was a little bit, he had the sin of the trough, how you say, when you like sweeties things. But he tried to moderate and he became very temperate on the eating. Then another thing he had that he liked to speak also in the school, because he was very exuberant, very nice, he make always joke. All the friends were always laughing because Carlo was really full of joy, full of this. He was joking, but always in a nice way, without vulgarity, without. But of course, also this was a problem because during the class lessons, sometimes it could disturb him. So especially when he was younger, so he did an effort, and then he was perfect at school. Carlo had a little book in which he used to give himself notes. How do I become with my classmate? How am I a faithful friend? Am I good with my parents? Do I do? So he used to sometimes he used to do the exams like a Jesuitic way, and he used to bribe himself if he was good for himself, not. And he tried to do an effort he concretely used to do effort to improve. He wanted really to do effort. His will, he really exercited the will to do the things better. He tried to do always his best. So he wanted to become a saint. He wanted to be to please God, And the problem is that most of the young people, when I speak, they don't want to become saint. They are not interested in the sainthood. They don't understand. The problem is that when I ask, do you want to become saint? Most of the young people, they answer me that they're not interested. It's not a problem for them. So Carlo instead was a problem for him. He really wanted to please God. He really wanted to be good. He used to confess each week. He used to do an effort to try to improve in the way he prayed, in the way he behaved, in the way he acted with people. Really, he made an effort. Like all the people, he was not born perfect, but he tried to do his best to achieve this heroic virtue, which is the motive why the church declares you saint. It's not because you have vision or you do miracles. First of all, the church declares somebody venerable because lived heroically the seven virtues, which is this act to behave well. So it's very important. Because many people say to me, I don't do the miracle, I'm not saint, I'm not interested in sainthood. Sainthood is not for me. I mean, people who don't understand that sainthood is a universal call for everybody. We all, as Carlo used to say, we all are born original, many die as photocopies. And so it's important to exercite this faith, to understand, because why the faith? Because if you don't have faith, you are not interested in the life after. You are not interested in the supernatural things. Because for you, the most important thing is what you experiment in this life. So you don't think about the life after if you don't have faith. So it's important to nourish the faith of people. It's very important.
Tole vprašanje je tudi eno izmed mnogih. Kaj bi ona svetovala nekomu, ki ima občutek, da sam ne bo nikoli mogel živeti v takšni povezanosti z Bogom, kot je to živel Carlo?
If somebody wants to live in relation with God, everybody is allowed to have a relation with God. So I don't agree that he won't never be able to have this such as a relation with God, because God gave everybody the possibility to have this relation. It's important that we really want this. If is our desire, God reads our heart. Is very, very happy God if we want him and we want to have this relation, and he will give surely the grace to have this. Of course, not everybody has vision, etc., but it's important this spiritual, mystical relation, and everybody has the possibility. So I think that Carlo was not a privilege respect to other. The important thing is we answer. Our answer to this call, that call God gave, call everybody, you know. So in my opinion, if you are sincere and you desire in your heart to have a special relation with God, God will give you the chance to have the same relation Carlo had, Father Pio, and all the saints.